This house doesn't stand out because of its form, but because of its material, and more importantly, because of how that material is used. This is Casa Trauma in Brazil, a house where what matters most is not the space, it's how it was built. Here, texture takes the lead. Right at the entrance, what draws attention is the Bariba pergola, a light structure made of round, natural wood pieces arranged side by side. This logic continues in the breeze elements and slatted panels, creating this idea of a woven layer throughout the house. At the roof level, the different system is used. Wooden shingles form a closed, protected roof with full weather ceiling. In some areas, a lighter layer made of thin wooden pieces, known as biribinha, reinforces this more handcrafted language, but without acting as a filter. Here, the role is protection. So the weave doesn't come from a single wall. It comes from the repetition of these wooden elements, in the pergola, in the breezes, in the panels, creating a layer that filters light and ventilation without completely enclosing the house. And that's where the name comes from. The house is organized in a simple way. Spaces connect directly, without excessive divisions. Living room, kitchen, and social areas function almost as a single environment, but always with this intermediate wooden layer. Pivoting wooden panels allow the spaces to open or close precisely, expanding or controlling the relationship with the outside. Nothing is fully exposed. Nothing is hidden, nothing is covered. Wood is left exposed in the breezes, the Bariba pergola, the biribinha layer, and the pivoting panels. Concrete and natural stone appear in the heavier volumes, creating contrast with the lightness of the wooden weave. Everything reveals how it was built. You understand the house just by looking at it. The house doesn't rely on large exposed glass surfaces. It solves this through the material itself. Another important aspect is thermal comfort. Even in a hot climate, the interiors feel more comfortable. The wood filters direct sunlight, the lightweight biribinha layer helps reduce heat gain, and cross-ventilation happens continuously. Light enters, but already softened. The bedrooms are more private, but still maintain light and ventilation, always filtered by the wooden elements and the surrounding vegetation, never too direct. In some areas, the combination of more solid planes and the wooden layer increases privacy. Even though it's simple, the house is not monotonous. It changes as you move through it, and as the light shifts throughout the day. Another important detail is rhythm. The repetition of the wooden slats creates a continuous sequence, a pattern that organizes the house visually and reinforces its architectural language. Casa Trauma doesn't try to impress through form. It uses material as the main element, showing that sometimes the wall is not just a boundary, it is the project itself.